Good morning student. This is Harshali teacher. Today we are going to learn the new poem, that is The Pulli. This poem is very interesting. This poem is written by George Herbert, who is basically priest. So what is basic or the central idea or the theme of the poem is the the poem tells us about the creation of the man or the human beings and all the luxurious and blessings he have showered by the creature God. Creature means God, and God showers all the luxurious, all the richness, whatever he has with him, he had showered towards the human beings or the man. But what? But he have withheld the jewel of a rest. He had withheld the jewel of a rest. Because of that rest, man will seek God when all the treasures bestowed on him would tire him out. So that God have kept something with him, so that man will again go towards the God. And basically, because of George Herbert the priest, he is always thinking about the God, and he wrote a religious poems with a lot of imagery and the concept. And the poem exhibits a strange but two-way relationship between God and the human being or the worshippers. Worshippers, those who worship the God. And God gave so many precious gifts to the devotees. Devotees means those who are praising, those who are worshipping Him. And this poem, The Pulli, also shows how God lifts man towards himself with the pulley of restlessness. Everybody know what is pulley. Yes, no. What is pulley? Pulley means something to pull towards him. Correct? So that is called the pulley. And what is the distinctly metaphysical about the poem is that the religious notions is conveyed to the secular scientific image, and this pulley is the scientific image. It is a machine. It is a simple machine to pull something. It is maybe fixed on a well or something to pull. Okay, so that is called the pulley. It is a simple machine created by the science. Then now we will go to the poem, and this is the pulley is it is a metaphor, and it is a metaphysical image in the poem. When God at the first made man, having a glass of blessings standing by, let us, said he, pour on him all we can, and let the world riches which displayed lie contract into a span. Means here have a God first man. When God first created a man, he have given whatever things, whatever the richness he has, God has with him, and he have given everything to man. And he said, poor, whatever, poor means give, whatever I can give. Let us the world riches, whatever the richest things with me, that I will give to human beings, which dispersed to lie. Dispersed means scattered, which is scattered everywhere, and contract into a span. Contract means collect together into a span, means a small piece. It is scattered but again collect together and given to the man. So strength first made a way, and this is how the strength first made a way. Then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor and pleasure. Whatever he had given to man, first he had given the strength, then he had given the beauty, then wisdom, then honor, then pleasure. When almost all was out, God made a stay. When everything was given, then God wait for something. Perceiving that alone of all his treasure. Perceiving means noticing becoming conscious that I have given almost everything to the man, and in his treasure one thing he had kept, rest in the bottom line. So if it is a glass, then in that glass at the bottom he had kept the rest. And that rest he had not given to the man. So that every time we got everything, but after that when we are waiting, still we are waiting for something. Means our aim is too high. Sometimes we achieve that aim, but after achieving that aim also there is something we could not achieve. Maybe the happiness, maybe our best loves, maybe our best family friends. So something is loose over there. That is called the rest. And it is at the bottom of the glass. For if I should, said he, bestow the jewel also on my creature. Jewel means a precious stone or the valuable things. Bestowed means given as a gift. Also my creature. So if that rest jewel also I'll give to my creature, he would adore my gift instead of me. What he will do? He will love. Adore means love, worship. He will worship and love the gift given by God, but not to the God. He is only love the gifts, but not to who have given the gift. And rest in nature, not the God of nature. So both should loser be. And so that what happened? It is the nature of the rest, and that rest if I will not give to the human beings, that human beings will immediately pull towards me, they immediately worship me, they immediately love me, they immediately think about me. That God is thinking. And so both should be loser. And if I have given that rest also, they will forget me, they will never worship me, they never love me, so that we both will be the loser. The attachment will be the loss. Yet let him keep the rest, so that I'll keep the rest, but keep them with repining restlessness. Repining restlessness means what? Continuous anxiety due to dissatisfaction. So although God had given everything to the human beings, he have kept the rest. That rest means what? Dissatisfaction. And that dissatisfaction will not give him rest. And although the human beings get everything from God, that human beings have not got the rest, and because of that rest the dissatisfaction will be there, and they will worship the God, they will love the God, and they will never forget the God. And let him be rich and very means very tired, and that at last, if goodness lead him not, yet weariness may toss him to my breast. Toss means bring. And because of this dissatisfaction, the human beings which pull towards me, they come towards me, they worship me, they love me, and they never forget me, they remember me. And so that God want to pull towards him, and so that God have not given the human being rest, and that rest is dissatisfaction. Whatever the work he have done, whatever the aim human beings have achieved, but at the end, if small dissatisfaction is there, no, then also human beings will be anxious. They will not feel happy, and because of that they will always remember the God. And so that God have not given human being rest. This is how my students, this poem conveys the message that You never forget God, and because of that, although the God has given everything to the human beings, He have kept rest with Him. He have kept small dissatisfaction towards the man, and because of that, man catch towards the God. Man come towards the God. And this is how the pulley, the metaphysical image, is used over here to pull the man towards the God. I hope all of you have understood this poem. In the next sessions, we will see the figures of speech and the appreciation of the poem. Thank you, students. Take care, stay home, stay safe.